Next thing we want to do is make a new layer. I already did it, so let's trash that. Try this again. Um, Down over here in the layers palette, little button says create new layer. It looks like a folded sheet of paper. We're going to click that. We're going to click and hold on the layer, and we're going to drag it down below head. And then we're going to double click and name it body. And then over in here, we are going to use the ellipse tool, and we are going to draw out a big circly shape for the body. Now, it may be putting it in front of the head, but it probably it shouldn't because we drug our layer down here below. All right. Then we will create another new layer, and we will drag it down below as well. And we're going to make an arm. And we're going to get the rounded rectangle tool. We're going to draw out a nice long shape, and we want it to be, we're going to use the eyedropper tool to make it the same color as the face. And then we're going to Z to zoom in, and we're going to use the rounded rectangle tool to make some fingers. So I'm going to start right here. 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers. And actually, I didn't want to do it that way. Delete, cancel, delete, delete. We'll make one, and then we're going to copy them. So Command copy, and then Command F to paste in front, and then we're going to slide them over. So that's 2, 3, and 4. You can see they're not quite as wide as the hand. So we want to select all of this, and then go back to our Pathfinder tool. Under Align, we want to horizontal distribute center, and that's not what I want to do. I guess we'll select just these. Horizontally select center. Okay, and then we want to do one more, so paste in front again, and then rotate, and slide it up a little bit. To where it looks good. To where it looks good. Fourth thumb. I'm going to slide that one over just a little bit. Slide that one over just a hair. Slide that one over just a hair. Alright. Now, scroll up here a little bit. We are going to zoom out. And we are going to select the arm itself, copy, paste in front. So Command C, Command F. And then we're going to come down here to the bottom and grab that little middle thing. We're going to slide it up here a little bit. And we're going to pull it over here to this side. Grab the rectangle tool, cut off about half of it. Make sure we select both of those. Okay, select both those, and then back to the Pathfinder, minus front. Make that the same color as the shirt. Slide that over. So we have a sleeve. Get the rectangle tool, make a cuff for the sleeve, come down here. We're going to double click over here to the color palette, double click it to bring up this and make it a little bit darker for our cuff. Okay, we're going to drag a box around all of this. Object group, drew it all in the wrong layer again. Drag it down, put it in the right layer. Make sure you're on the layer 3 when you're building all this. Yeah, if not, you're going to have to drag it down to layer 3. Okay, object group. And then that is, we're going to name this left arm. Z plus option to zoom out. Command copy. Command C to copy, drag it over, put it in place. And again, look, it's behind there, so we're going to do arrange, bring to front. And we're going to drag that layer up. No. Drag that layer up to be in front of the body. So it's going to be head, left arm, body. Okay. New layer. Drag it all the way down. Name it right arm. And then while we're in that, paste. And we're going to drag it, and it should be behind. Notice how it kind of lines up here. Okay. So we've got the head, we've got the body, we've got the left arm, and we've got the right arm, all on different layers. Next come legs and shoes.